In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Why the people, the general public, the commoners, they are not so interested in developing their PR, their public relationships? Why? Or they were interested earlier, but after some of the experiences, they are no more interested. They are not interested in developing their public relationship. Why is it so? Many and many are of the view. Many of the commoners are of the view that people are not interested in making developing relationship with me. Why? Because I'm a commoner. Why? Because I don't have a good social status. That is why people are not interested in making good relationship with me. That is why people don't respond me properly. This is their excuse for not making effort to develop the good relationship, for not trying to develop the good PR. This is the objection or the excuse many of the people are having. The other more common, very common excuse or objection is that people don't help us at the moment of need. People do not help us at the moment of need. There is still another objection, another excuse. This is that some of the people, some of my friends, some of my close people have cheated me. That is why I'm not interested in developing my PR, my public relationship. Now let's take one by one all three of these. First of all, people are not interested in people are not interested in developing the relationship with me. They are not interested because they don't need it. Because they don't need it. You should be interested because you need it. You are doing it, you will do it, you should do it for your own reasons, for your interest, for your own benefits. Because you need it. Why you need it? And that is going to be discussed now. I shall explain it inshallah. I shall elaborate it inshallah. Why do you need it? And what are the benefits? Once I do tell you the benefits of it, obviously there is no need to go into the further details. People are not interested in developing the relationship with me because I am a commoner, because I'm not so resourceful, because I'm not a strong person, because they think that I can't benefit, because they think that I shall ask for their help. That is why they are not interested. And this is true actually. This is true. Since they don't need to develop their relationship with you, that is why they are not so interested. But if at all you are a person of good manners, if at all you are a sincere person, sincere on the one hand, good manners on the other hand, they will become interested in making a relationship with you, or at least responding positively. Responding positively once you are inching closer to them. Once you want to get close, once you want to develop a salam dua with them, once you want to develop an acquaintance with them, that is why they will respond positively, provided they come to know that you are a sincere person on the one hand and you are a person of good manners on the other hand. How? Now the question is that how will they come to know? How will they come to know? First of all, you need to become sincere. You need to become a person of good manners on the other end. Once you do have the two of these qualities, once you do have the two of these qualities, the people around you will come to notice it automatically. the people will come to notice it automatically. And now, once you are trying to develop your PR, once you are trying to develop your slamda with the people, your public relationship with the people, they will start observing you automatically, naturally. They might hesitate to respond you positively, but at the same time they will keep observing you. You will come under their observation as well. And after some of the time they might come to a conclusion. Some of them might come to a conclusion that you are a sincere person on the one hand, and you are a person of good manners on the other hand. Once they do realize it, obviously they will respond you positively. And if at all one person do know, one person is convinced that you are a sincere and a positive person, she will be telling it, disclosing it to other people as well. Not because she have started publicizing, she have started marketing for you. Not at all, not at all, not at all. But as and when you are mentioned somewhere, as and when you are talked about somewhere, she might defend you, might give her his own opinion about you. This way, those people who have no direct interaction with you, they too might become convinced that you are a nice person. Since you are a person of, you are sincere and a person of good manners, that is why they will consider you as a nice person, and they will try to respond you positively. They will not refuse your advancement towards them. They will try to maintain a kind of gap. Obviously most of them, almost all of them, will not be willing to maintain a relationship, to develop a relationship with you on equal basis. Not at all. But here, neither you you should accept their slavery, nor accept too much. Don't be that much selfless. Be sincere, be a person of good manners. Always try to say the salam, to say the greetings first. Don't wait for them to greet you to say you salam first, because this is against the manners. Always try to say them salam first. Always try to greet them first. So this question that they are not interested because I'm a commoner, because I don't have, because I'm a weak person, because I don't have much of the resources. I think this question has become invalid now. This is not a solid or a real one. It is only the negative thinking. It is only the bad attitude. It is only the pessimistic thinking, not an optimistic one. Now, coming forward, as I earlier told that don't expect that they will come, they will try to develop and to accept the relationship on an equal basis. You don't have a social status which is equal to each other, so that is why they are not. They will never agree upon it. But you should not accept their slavery at the same time. Neither expect them equality, but be respectful, and do not spend much of your time upon them usually. When they request you, then you should do it. But once they don't request you, never waste much of your time upon them. Simply say them salam every time you come across them, and say them respectfully. Be the first to say the salam. Don't expect them to be the first. Now, there is another excuse. There is another objection. Why don't I try to develop my PR, my public relationship? Because the people don't help me at the moment of need. She has not helped me. Although I was respecting them a lot, still they didn't help me once I was in need. Once I begged them for help, but they didn't do that. I think so. You shouldn't be expecting it. You should not be demanding the help. What you should expect and what you are going to get out of the PR is that you will be able to become happy off and on. Once you interact with them, you will feel good. You will feel good. You will get somewhat of catharsis. You will get somewhat of happiness on the one hand. On the other hand, you will get motivation to develop, to move forward. And simply by keeping Islam Dua with them, you will automatically start learning some of the things. Even they didn't tell you, but you are getting the two of these things. First is motivation, the other is learning certain good things, manners, etc., etc., dressing, whatever it is. You can't afford that much of the dresses, but it doesn't mean that you cannot use your dresses in a better way. Whatever you have, you can use it in a better way. Whatever resources you do have, you can use it better way. Getting a motivation and getting certain ideas simply by observing them, simply by keeping Islam though, simply by keeping an acquaintance with those people. On the other hand, as and when you are in need of certain advice, certain information, as and when you are in need of certain guidance from them, they will be willing to guide you. They will be willing to provide you with the necessary information. And at a rare cases, I am saying at a rare cases, they might be willing to even help you. So, if at all you want to develop, if at all you want to move forward, as a matter of fact, you should be to each one of us, you, me, each one of us. We should always be willing to move forward. We should always be willing to develop, and we can only do that by staying in touch with the people who are ahead of us. By staying in touch with the people who are ahead of us, we can learn a lot from those people. We need to learn. I'm not asking that if someone does not help, we shouldn't try to develop the relationship with them. We shouldn't try to keep maintain the relationship with them, and we should cut off our relationship with those people who didn't help us. I think this is absolutely nonsense. We shouldn't be even demanding it. We shouldn't be even expecting it. What should we expect is motivation to move forward. On the one hand, certain information, guidance, as and when we are in need of, on the other hand. That's all. Nothing more than that. In spite of this, that you are not expecting any of these, anything other than these two, but still, although rarely, some of them might be willing to help you at one point in your life or another turn in your life. So always be willing to develop the relationship with the people. It will make you a confident person. It will develop the confidence in you as well. Thank you very much. Jazakallah.